So y'all, it was another beautiful sunny day here in Bermuda until it wasn't. So y'all, we were down below getting some work done and I looked up through our port side hatch and saw a sailboat mast heading right towards our boat. Of course, I yelled to Sean that another boat was about to hit us. The owners of that other sailboat had gone to shore and their sailboat started dragging right towards our boat, Tela. Sean and I hightailed it up to the deck, y'all. We got up here as fast as we could, and y'all ain't gonna believe what happened next. Watch this. Hear another fender? Golly.
Well, I thought it was your boat. It's not your boat. Yeah. Is unattended. The owner has gone ashore in their tender and the boat is dragging. I'll say again, the boat is dragging. There are 2 or 3 other vessels that brought their dinghy over to try to help control the boat, but no one's on the boat. Do you have any contact information in the system for the owner of a cell phone number or something where they can be reached to tell them their boat is dragging, they're on shore somewhere?
Thank you for the information. Stand by on this channel, we'll look into it and call you back.
Roger that. Sailing vessel Tela standing by on 27.
Do you have a situation update, please, with the sailing vessel?
Yeah, sailing vessel is still dragging. The owner is still not present. We have put fenders out, and a couple of other yachtsmen have gone aboard and got fenders and deployed fenders along the side of, but the vessel's still unattended.
Tela received, thank you. Unfortunately, we don't have any contact information for that vessel. So yeah, until they're back on board, we won't be able to get in contact with them at all.
All right, roger that. We'll stay here with the vessel. The channel the whole time. We've been lined up with that boat the whole time.
It's just crazy looking up and seeing a mast through the hatch and it's coming at us again. I don't know where to do it. Huh? I'm trying. But this corner. So you were running up top to try to stop this boat from hitting us, and what did you spray? You don't know? Again. Coming.
Move that one back to here. See where that point is right there? That's
Yeah.
like the widest point. I think we can just slide it right there.
Okay, is this where you want it or down?
It's like the widest point right there.
Here we go. Fronts. Okay. but they definitely landed in a little bit of sand right here that's holding them a little bit.
Yeah, no.
You can tell with the anchor.
Yeah, that's held now.
This way. We do see a dinghy coming finally. Maybe this is them. Hopefully this is them coming to this boat.
Yeah, no worries, it happens. Yeah, the wind was running in from the morning.
Sorry about that, we had a problem with the winch.
Okay, no worries. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, the wind picks up a lot from this morning. All right, y'all. Well, that was some afternoon excitement here on the Anchorage in St. George's Harbor. Not exactly the kind of excitement that you prefer, but the owners did show back up and took control of their vessel. It was a Dewar 430 that was dragging and almost, as you can see from the footage, almost slammed into us a couple of times. And if Amber and I hadn't jumped up on deck when we did, their boat would have hit us multiple times. And also, fortunately, there were a couple of other guys from some of the surrounding yachts here on the anchor in the harbor. They came over and were very helpful as well. They jumped on board and put out some fenders on the Dewar 430 that was dragging. Ultimately, how the people were contacted, I first contacted Bermuda Radio to advise them of the situation to see if they had contact information. They came back on the radio and said they didn't have contact information readily available. So as we were keeping the boat fended off, the Dewar fended off of Tela, one of the other guys was talking with me and he said, I wonder if it would be a wise idea to go to Customs. Maybe they have some information. And I said, you know what? That's an excellent idea because Customs would definitely have the cell phone contact information for the people aboard that boat. He took off in his dinghy and went to the Customs office and told Customs what was going on. And they ultimately were able to get a hold of the owners and get them back to the boat. So that is a good lesson learned, and it's a good tip that if you're ever in a similar situation and you have no idea how to get a hold of the people that are on the boat, try to get a hold of Customs, because Customs will definitely have that information. And one other thing Amber and I thought about that might be a good idea that we may do going forward with Tela, even if we're away from the boat, going ashore for the afternoon or for a few hours, we may come up with a little laminated emergency contact card. So when we leave the vessel and have our companionway locked up, we can Velcro or tape it to somewhere inside the cockpit with our emergency contact information, so that in the event there's ever an emergency with Tela, there's an immediate way to contact us when we're ashore. So I think we're going to do that going forward, and that's another tip for all y'all out there as well. You may want to do that going forward. And as always, y'all, we're bringing it to you raw and real here on Tela. So y'all be sure and comment below if y'all have ever been in a situation like that and had a boat almost drag into you. Let us know and let us know how you handled it. Be sure and hit the comment section below with any thoughts that you may have. Also, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Sailing Tela.
Next time on Sailing Tela. Did you know that there's a right way and a wrong way to coil your line? I'm gonna show you the best knot to tie your dinghy off in. Kinky is not always bad, but when it comes to your lines, it is. We post brand new videos twice a week, so y'all be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe.